This is a EMT attachment for a 555 bender. We have the bender in a separate listing, but here is a, what does it say, 1.25 inch. I can't freaking read that. Sorry, I'm in my light. 1.5 inch, 2 inch. Then this one is 1.5 inch. This one does 1.25 inch, 1 inch, 3/4, 1/2 inch. That's the tube. This is the roller for EMT. And I think you flip these wheels around if you know how this goes. And that's this is a 2.25, or is it 2.5? I'm sorry. It's a 502 3506. 3505? I don't know. Anyways, this is the 3 shoes and the 2 rollers, or the guide and the rollers in the box. Trying to sell that separately from the 555. If you got questions, concerns, let me know. Thank you.